Hello and welcome back to Top 10s You Should Know. Let me ask you something personal. Have you ever had random symptoms that didn't seem connected, like brain fog, unexplained fatigue, weird skin breakouts, or even sudden mood swings? You brush them off, thinking they're just part of life. Today, we're uncovering the top 15 silent signs your gut health is in trouble. Stay tuned because some of these may surprise you. 1. Persistent brain fog. One of the strangest yet most overlooked gut related symptoms is brain fog. That sluggish feeling where your thoughts are cloudy, your memory slips, and focusing feels impossible. It could be tied directly to your gut. Why? Because your gut and brain are connected through the gut brain axis, a two-way communication highway. When your gut microbiome is imbalanced, it can produce harmful byproducts that disrupt neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Instead of mental sharpness, you end up with confusion, forgetfulness, and slow processing. 2. Unexplained fatigue. We all feel tired sometimes, but if you constantly feel drained no matter how much you sleep, your gut could be to blame. A damaged or imbalanced gut struggles to absorb nutrients properly, especially critical ones like vitamin B12, iron, and magnesium, which fuel your energy. On top of that, gut inflammation can trigger your immune system into overdrive, leaving you exhausted. It's not just about physical tiredness either. Many people with gut issues feel a deep, heavy fatigue that no coffee or nap can fix. 3. Frequent skin breakouts or rashes. Your skin is often a mirror of your gut. If your gut microbiome is inflamed or imbalanced, toxins that should be eliminated can leak into your bloodstream, triggering immune reactions. The result? Acne, eczema, psoriasis, or sudden rashes. This is why dermatologists are now looking deeper than creams, because often the root isn't on your skin, but inside your gut. When the gut lining is compromised, inflammation shows up where it can, and your skin becomes the canvas. Number 4. Sudden food intolerances. If foods you once enjoyed suddenly start causing discomfort, bloating, cramps, nausea, or reactions, it's a silent sign your gut health is off track. A weakened gut lining allows larger food particles to slip into the bloodstream, confusing your immune system and creating sensitivities. This isn't about typical allergies. It's about your gut struggling to filter and regulate. Many adults develop sudden intolerances later in life because of accumulated gut damage. If your safe foods start betraying you, it's time to look inward at your digestive health. 5. Mood swings and anxiety. Have you ever felt anxious for no reason or found your mood swinging wildly without explanation? Your gut could be the hidden trigger. Nearly 90% of serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter, is produced in your gut. When your gut bacteria are imbalanced, serotonin production drops and anxiety or irritability rises. An inflamed gut also releases stress signals to the brain, amplifying feelings of fear or worry. Many people chase solutions in therapy or medication, which can help, but they overlook the gut's massive role in regulating emotional stability. 6. Frequent headaches or migraines. While headaches can have many causes, gut dysfunction is an underestimated one. An imbalanced gut produces toxins and inflammatory molecules that can trigger neurological responses, resulting in migraines or frequent headaches. Leaky gut can also disrupt histamine levels, another migraine trigger. If you notice your headaches often coincide with digestive upset, like bloating, irregular bowel movements, or food reactions, your gut may be the missing piece of the puzzle. Many migraine sufferers spend years treating the head when the real answer lies in the gut. 7. Unpredictable weight changes. If your weight is fluctuating unpredictably despite no major lifestyle changes, your gut may be struggling. Poor gut health disrupts how your body absorbs nutrients and regulates blood sugar. An overgrowth of harmful bacteria can actually extract more calories from food than normal, leading to weight gain. Conversely, a damaged gut lining can cause nutrient loss and unintended weight loss. These shifts often happen slowly and silently, leaving people frustrated and confused. If your body feels out of control with weight, your gut balance could be the root cause. 8. Persistent bad breath. It's easy to blame bad breath on dental hygiene, but sometimes the issue is deeper, in your gut. When your gut bacteria are imbalanced, they produce foul-smelling gases that rise through your esophagus. Acid reflux, another gut-related problem, can also create an unpleasant odor in the mouth. If you brush, floss, and rinse, yet still struggle with chronic bad breath, it may not be your teeth at all. It could be your gut bacteria signaling distress. 9. Weakened immunity. If you're constantly catching colds, struggling to recover from illness, or feeling under the weather often, your gut health might be compromised. Nearly 70% of your immune system lives in your gut, so when your gut lining is damaged or your microbiome is imbalanced, your defenses weaken. Instead of fighting off pathogens efficiently, your body becomes more vulnerable. Many people don't realize that a resilient immune system doesn't start with supplements or shots. It starts with a healthy gut. 10. Irregular sleep patterns. Your gut health directly impacts how well you sleep. The gut regulates not just serotonin, but also melatonin, the hormone that controls your sleep-wake cycle. When your gut is inflamed, your sleep becomes fragmented, leading to restless nights, vivid dreams, or waking up multiple times. Poor gut health can also cause nighttime reflux, further disturbing sleep. If you're tossing and turning despite a good routine, your gut may be silently disturbing your rest. 11. Sudden sugar cravings. If you find yourself constantly reaching for sweets, sodas, or refined carbs, your gut may be crying for help. Sugar cravings often signal an imbalance in gut bacteria. Harmful bacteria and yeast feed on sugar, and when they dominate your microbiome, they literally hijack your brain's reward system to demand more. What feels like just a sweet tooth is often a microbial takeover inside your gut. This cycle leads to more imbalance, more cravings, and eventually more inflammation. 12. Joint pain and stiffness. Many people don't realize that unexplained aches and stiffness can trace back to the gut. When your gut lining is compromised, inflammatory compounds called cytokines leak into your bloodstream, traveling to joints and muscles. This silent inflammation creates pain, swelling, or stiffness that has no clear injury cause. You might even think it's just getting older, but in reality, it could be your gut fueling systemic inflammation. Addressing your gut health often reduces pain more effectively than painkillers ever could. 13. Frequent yeast or fungal infections. Recurring infections, especially yeast infections, athlete's foot, or nail fungus, may be linked to gut imbalance. A healthy gut keeps yeast like candida in check, but when good bacteria are depleted, often from antibiotics, stress, or diet, yeast multiplies. This overgrowth doesn't just affect your gut, it shows up on your skin, nails, and reproductive system. If infections keep coming back despite treatment, your gut might be the hidden source fueling them. 14. Frequent bloating and gas. While occasional bloating is normal, chronic bloating or excessive gas is a key warning sign of gut distress. Imbalanced bacteria can cause improper fermentation of food in the intestines, leading to trapped gas and discomfort. If you regularly feel like your stomach expands after meals, or you avoid social situations because of digestive embarrassment, your gut is likely struggling. This isn't just about discomfort, it's about the gut signaling deeper imbalance that needs attention. 15. Difficulty concentrating or low motivation. Your ability to focus and stay motivated doesn't only come from your brain, it's deeply influenced by your gut. Poor gut health can reduce neurotransmitters like dopamine, the chemical that drives motivation, reward, and focus. As a result, you may feel unmotivated, distracted, or even apathetic toward tasks that once excited you. This isn't laziness, it's biochemistry. When your gut is off balance, your drive naturally weakens. So there you have it, the top 15 silent signs your gut health is in trouble. Some of them are obvious, but others are so hidden that people never connect them to digestion. Now I want to hear from you. Have you noticed any of these signs in your own life? Which one stood out the most? Let us know in the comments, because your story might help someone else finally connect the dots.